Life can get hard and things can go wrong, but no matter what, you have got to stay strong. With this beautiful quote, I am going to start today's video. This is for those who are trying to manifest their desires and are thinking of quitting. I will tell you why you shouldn't give up on manifesting your desires. So, I was playing Clash of Clans today, and a thought just popped up in my mind that made some things clearer for me, and I thought I'd share it with you all. For those of you who have never played or heard of this game, it is a strategy-based game where we attack the opponent's village with our army. I was doing a daily mission in which I had to attack a very strong opponent. It was like a 10 times stronger base that I had to destroy. I have never destroyed a base that's strong before. On the first impression, it seemed impossible to me, and I thought I would quit, but then I played and destroyed the whole base and won that mission. It felt so great, I felt so powerful, and I learned a very important lesson from this, and something clicked for me. The thing that clicked for me is the one we forget sometimes. It is that manifestation is just a tool to get our material desires. Before listening to Neville Goddard, other spiritual teachers have told us that we are greater than we think that we are. We are God, living in this body of flesh and blood. We are the creators, experiencing our creations. We fall in love because we want to experience something that we think is not us. That's why we love another, feel a connection with them, and think that we are now one. So, in a sense, we are always doing something that is breaking our limited self in some way or another. We are always trying to make things a part of ourselves. We always create goals that are greater than our current circumstances. That in turn tells a lot about our true nature, and that is that we are always willing to destroy our current limitations. Our true self is always seeking a way to feel powerful and become greater than our past. When we persist and strive to become better than we are, something in us feels fulfilled and we get what we desire. When that happens, we learn that we are an infinite being. And the goal of this life is to know our true nature. We are immortal beings living in mortal bodies, experiencing our own creations. When we quit, we lose an opportunity to experience our greater self, and when that happens, we feel dissatisfied and incomplete. So to say, we must persist, and achieving our desires makes us feel limitless, and we start suspending the disbelief. The whole concept of manifestation arises from an inner journey, the journey of knowing who we are. By consciously manifesting our desires, we start breaking our boundary and experiencing our true selves, and if you quit, you limit the possibility of that experience. Every desire of heart is a gift from heaven, and that it contains both the power and the plan of its self-expression. All you need to do is get on a journey to experience it. You can only experience a breathtaking view after climbing a high mountain. Only if you never give up will it actually happen. Life can be tough, my darling, but so are you. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget tomorrow. Happy manifesting.